Bonjour everyone, Madam Bleu here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, we are going to be doing a silk press today. First of all, if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you have not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you know when I post. So yeah, this is the title says silk press. I don't really do silk press. I do more of a natural press. As you can see, my hair is not bone straight. But yeah, I want to go ahead and go through this process, and I'm actually not mad at how it turned out because I did not know what to expect. It's hot, I be sweating. This probably gonna last me 5 minutes, who knows, but I'm like, I needed to do a length check, so here we are. So I hope you enjoy. First of all, I'm extremely hungry. I'm about to pass out at any second. Second of all, I'm at work. I have to have my door open because if not, I'm gonna be hot and sweaty. So if you hear other people, sorry. It's pretty quiet today, but there is literally one other person on this side, I think. So hopefully I'm not too loud for them and they ain't too loud for me. I can hear them, y'all could probably hear them too, I don't know, but you know, it is what it is. So I don't normally put heat on my hair. I got my hair last straightened, might have been January, I think, when I did my natural hair update. I think that was the last time I got my hair straightened. And then a couple of months ago, I got my hair cut, but in a blow dried state, which I hate doing it like that, but I really didn't want to waste my time getting my hair straightened because it lasts for 5 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and silk press my hair, or I don't even really call it silk press, what other people do, so that's just what I'm gonna call it. But I do more of a natural press. I use temperatures that are, I use the correct temperature for the hair type and texture. I am gonna use a pressing comb today. I hardly ever use a pressing comb on my hair, but that's what I'm gonna do today. So the products I use this brand for my shampoo conditioner, and this is the leave-in. I talked about that brand in my how to shampoo your hair video, so go see that video if you have not seen that. I could not find, usually I put this on before I blow dry, but I couldn't find it, so I put this on afterwards. But I use this every time I do a press, every time. And then I sprayed this. I need to put on some nails. Anywho, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We'll see how this turns out. I am going to try to do, I'm gonna try for the rest of the year not to do any tension hairstyles. No braids, no crochets, not really any wigs. So we'll see how that goes, because I'm going to try to see if I leave my hair alone for at least 5 months, will I get edges back? Let me explain. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair, or section my hair off. And one reason why I do not like doing my own hair in a straight style, because it be hot. And that means I'm going to sweat it out, especially if I'm using the stove iron. Oh my God, it'd be so hot. Like if I was just sitting in here minding my business, not doing nothing, it'll be so cold. But because I'm moving around, I'm so hungry. I don't know. I just got hungry all of a sudden. But because I'm moving around, it's gonna be hot. So, and I really should have did this last week. It was raining all last week. It's actually gonna be raining all month. But it was like cool. It wasn't hot. So even though it was raining, my hair probably would have had a better chance of lasting because it was not hot. So we'll see how long this can last. Because I don't really straighten my hair, it don't last. It just don't. And I don't be the type to be like, press the natural curl pattern out of my hair. I actually like my natural hair, and I don't want to ruin it. Now edges. Before I knew better, I was trifling. Meaning, when I first moved here, I used to do this one hairstyle where I'll part my hair down the middle, and I'll do all braids that go like this. And it would either be in a bun or a half up, half down situation. So, you know, this side is not too bad. This side is pretty much how it's always been. This side has always been thinner, but over the years, it just don't want to do right. And I would literally put a braid right here, and clearly there was no hair right here, even when I was doing that hairstyle, so I would just like braid as high as I could, and then connect it to this hair down here. So, I mean, over the years, it's just, I even got the flat irons on, y'all. Over the years, it has disappeared. So I'm trying to not have any tension on my hair at all, which I rarely ever have tension anyways, but I do wear wigs, and I tell people all the time, your wig has to fit right or it's going to create breakage right around the edges part. So for the most part, I do what I'm supposed to do regarding my hair, but I'm just trying. I'm going to try to see if I can not wear a weave, which I just like wearing wigs. I mean, I just like changing my hair up every other day. That's why I can't do a sew-in, but anywho. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and probably just do the back sped up because you can't really see it anyway. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to tap my roots with this, and then I'm going to straighten the hair and then curl it. It is so awkward trying to do my own hair. I don't even know if it's going to work out right, but we shall see. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up from here. Then I'll probably come back and talk to y'all when I get to the front. Okay, so I'm already failing and getting annoyed because one, I'm hot. This is not gonna work if I'm gonna be hot, and two, I'm hungry, but I don't know how to curl my own hair. So I'm gonna just curl this and I'll be back. So I have done the back. I have no idea what it looks like, but I'm going. This necklace don't want to do. They want to do everything but stay straight. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around. I have no idea what it looks like. So I hope I'm not missing any pieces. I'm not already, you know what, let me just continue. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the front. As you already saw, it's already getting poofy, which is why I don't straighten my hair. But it's okay. I love having my hair straightened though. Ooh. Okay, let me say something while I'm pressing this hair. Let me wait till I finish going back out. First I need to put them in the mirror. First of all, I just feel like this light is not allowing me to really see in my mirror. Okay, so one thing, the back is already falling. I'm gonna wait. One thing about straightening your hair, I pay more attention. I do other people's hair, but you can't really straighten it and then go back and curl it. My hair at least. Pressing combs. For some reason, people like to move their heads. So when you put the comb in, they be like this. You're gonna get burned. Or if I put their head down, the TV is so, it's just so important. Okay, get burned then. I mean, at this point, what do you want me to do? What I want you to do is be still. Because they legit be like this. Ma'am, stop it. Because the section is so small, I am pressing this whole section. But normally I don't press out a whole section like this. And I really should be looking in the mirror, but I never do that. Y'all, it's too hot. I'm about to sort my hair out in 2 seconds. Like, I gotta get this off. It's already moisture. But I just wanted my hair straight. And I'm not even wearing the right shirt because I do my little lip check. and I wear the same shirt so that you can really see, and I'm not wearing that shirt. I've been wanting to wear my hair straight so bad, it just don't last. And it's stiff like that because of the heat protecting spray that I use. It stiffens the hair like that until you comb it out. It doesn't leave any residue or anything like that, but it does stiffen the hair out. So I'm gonna just curl it and not touch it. So I want it to naturally fall. So I'm about to go ahead and speed it up again. So why did I think I was recording until my screen went back to the home screen? I'm gonna get it together. A whole straight piece back here that has fallen. Lord. I think I got some more straight pieces. Speaking of straight pieces, I'm gonna see if I can find a picture. Back in the day, I don't know what it was, but back in the day in Detroit, you would like do the first row of hair straight and then curl the rest. I would find a picture. So yeah, this is what we have. I mean, I ain't mad at it. Look at that gray hair. Child, this is how my hair be looking when I get it done. It already be sweating out. Let me. This side is just, the back has fallen. I don't even know what it looks like. Child, I will survive. So yes, I'm sure this will last me like a day. Oh, I wanted to spray this humidity spray. See if that works. And I also wanted to do this. I just put a little bit of oil on my hands with this water don't mix, so if I get to sweating, it won't sweat it out. But actually, I'm not mad at this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll probably straighten my hair again next year. I literally don't straighten my hair a lot at all. I might straighten it more because I might have real winters in the future. We'll see. Yeah, the back has completely fallen. Only this side is still looking good, but it's okay. I'm cool with it. I want to wear my real hair so bad, but it don't be saying. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And TTYL.